In this video, I will show how to use the direct comparison test to determine whether the given series is convergent or divergent. And to use the direct comparison test means to find either the series that is larger than the given one and convergent, or to find the series that is smaller than the given one and divergent. In this case, I can see that the given series is greater than this series, and the series that I wrote here is actually divergent. And why exactly it diverges? Because it is harmonic. In other words, it's a p-series with p equals 1, therefore it diverges. Now, since the smaller one diverges, it forces the larger one to diverge as well. So the conclusion is the given series diverges also by the direct comparison test.